Another of the Ucof lock collection. This is a Ultion, so Ultion, and it is one of the early ones. And it's fair to say it's a bit of a dirty lock. It needs a good clean out. So I'm going to give it a go opening it. Bit hit and miss. Bit of a turn that. Counter rotation. Now, these are the ones that come with some, a while back had like £1,000 if you can break it into a house with one of these. I mean, it is a superbly well manufactured lock. It's got all sorts of things. It's got cutouts. It's got trap pin. Well, it hasn't got trap pin. It's got cutouts here and here. Anti-snap stuff. It's got like it did have like a spring-loaded pin that would jam the mechanism. So if anyone did snap it, they would not get in. But I had heard reports here with the very early versions that if you didn't install it correctly, you could in fact cause a trap pin or that pin to fire, locking yourself out of your own hand. But they seem to have corrected it in later versions. I'm guessing from the state of this that this is an early of these Ultrons. And there we go. Yeah, very nice little pick. Lock needs a good clean. But yeah, that's that. I'm not going to gut this one again because it's not my lock, and I don't want to break stuff. Anyway, take care. Bye bye.